The rolling barrier system can stop nearly any vehicle from driving off the road. The rolling barrier consists of a series of energy-dissipating rollers that spin upon impact. The rollers absorb the collision shocks and stabilize the vehicle. It also converts the impact energy into rotational energy and guides the vehicle safely back on the road. The vehicle decelerates over a longer period, thus decreasing the forces on the body. The rollers are made of a shock-absorbing material that's extremely durable and hard to damage. The height and flexibility of the rails prevents heavier vehicles from breaking through. A metal pipe is inserted between the rails to strengthen the post. Frictional rotating stopper boards are installed on the top and bottom of the rollers. These act as clutch plates to decrease the speed of the vehicle. Rotating barrels come with an attached reflective sheeting for good visibility. As the rollers are independent, damaged parts can be replaced individually. This keeps maintenance costs low, especially in curved road sections. Since the barriers are made of flexible material, the vehicle damage is also reduced. It's being trialed by numerous countries around the world, including the US and Australia. It has already reduced accidents by 94% along certain roads in Malaysia.